Hey, how's it going, YouTube? This is Team Limited Slip. I am lead driver of the S95 and GT500, coming at you with another install video, or better yet said, how to do an oil change.
Alright, the first thing you want to do before starting the oil change is resetting the maintenance light. This is how you do it. I'm just playing. These don't have a maintenance light. Let's get to... The only thing I like to do is just put a sticker on it so I can remember when I need to do the next oil change. I go every 5 months or every 5,000 miles, since it doesn't have a maintenance light.
These are the tools you'll be using for the job. A 14-inch millimeter wrench, a 10mm socket to remove the 2 10s from the undercover. You'll be using a pocket screwdriver to remove the clips from the undercover. And lastly, you're going to use a oil filter cup to remove the oil filter.
You're going to remove this one, this one, this one, this one, and then the 2 10s. That's it.
You can find this oil filter cup online by typing in Toyota oil filter tool. Tell me I used to be a loop tech without telling me I used to be a loop tech. Once you add the oil to the car, it's always a good idea to start it up before checking the oil level. When you start it up, just leave it on for a couple minutes, then go ahead and turn it off and check the oil level. The oil level should be between both of the dots on the dipstick. If you enjoyed this content, please be sure to check out our other videos. We have tons of videos on racing, other repairs, and more car stuff. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and keep on building.